Hello, Earth!
I guess since you clicked this video, you have the plan having a vacation or somehow do the getaway to Thailand.
We're here to help you a bit for your choice. Since there are so many different tours and you don't know which one to choose and which is worth it, believe me, you don't want to end up like this. Spending your vacation time on Google, searching what to do and see around, so don't waste your time and please stay here and have a look for our top 7 must-see, and don't forget to press the subscribe button if you found this video helpful.
Is a resort town with long beach front, and it's the most westernized beach in Krabi. We choose Ao Nang for our number 7 because without a doubt it's the perfect base location for exploring. With a wide selection of international cuisine and seafood, bars, massage, countless souvenirs, cheap clothing shops, ATMs, and of course, a huge range of accommodation along the beachfront. Oh well, the water is not the bluest or the sand the whitest, but fairly it is a quiet and relaxing, especially on the daytime, as most of the people go on island hopping or simply lay on the beach and have a great view of the limestone rocks in the water. Nighttime it's much busier.
The largest and most inhabited of the 6 Phi Phi Islands is Koh Phi Phi Don. It's a party island full of backpackers, a lot of bars and great nightlife. Just a 45-minute speedboat trip or a 90-minute ferry boat ride from either Phuket or Krabi, this picture postcard islands offers the ultimate tropical getaway. Featuring classical tropical beaches, stunning rock formations and vivid turquoise waters, teeming with colorful marine life, it is paradise perfection. The only reason we didn't put this island higher on our rank is because it's quite touristy and overcrowded.
– 35 minutes ride from Ao Nang by car or scooter is our number 5. Tiger Cave Temple is situated at the top of a limestone tower with the main tourist attraction in the temple complex of 1,260 steps climb up. Keep in mind that even if you're in a good shape, the heat and the humidity make this a difficult hike. Once you make it to the top, you are rewarded with soothing 360 view of the surrounding countryside and Andaman Sea. Unfortunately, you are not going to see any tigers there, but be prepared for a lot of monkeys who attract from all of your belongings. Like any other temples in Thailand, you need to be dressed properly with respect of the culture, covering your knees and shoulders.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive.
Koh Phi Phi is an island within the Thailand National Marine System. As such, it has been allowed to remain relatively untouched by human development, so you cannot oversleep there. Phi Phi features limestone cliffs that creates overhangs above the shallow water around the island. This small island belongs to the Koh Hong archipelago, located right between Koh Wai Noi and Krabi coast, popular destination for island hoppers and day trippers in search of a quiet place to spend a relaxing time. A few local vendors have fresh drinks and snacks for sale on Koh Phi Phi. Snorkeling at short distance from its main beach allows visitors to see a variety of fish species. You have the opportunity to visit the island with boat tours from Krabi, Ao Nang and Railay. We combined Koh Phi Phi with Koh Lading and Hong Island. Unfortunately, we didn't get the chance to make good videos or photos because Hong Island was overcrowded and drones were forbidden. That's why it's missing from our chart.
Koh Lading is part of the Tambok Korani National Park. It's often called Paradise Island, and nobody who has visited is arguing with this description of the beautiful gem. There are normally rangers on the island to protect the natural flora and fauna and keep the beaches clean. That's why it's a great place for snorkeling. Koh Lading is about 2.5 kilometers north of Hong Island. On this island there are two small bays with sandy beaches. They are not really wide, but they provide some good shady areas. The main bay is well sheltered by the limestone cliff walls, so it is safe for swimming. At times the bay can get busy with small boats, so be aware if you're swimming away from the beach. Koh Lading Island is not a destination on any public transport route, so the only way to get there is on an organized tour or on a private rental boat. The closest departure points for Koh Lading and the Hong Island archipelago are from Koh Wai and Koh Noi and the Krabi coastline, of course.
Phra is located at tower number 2, with 450 meters in length beach and reachable in no more than 20-minute long-tail boat trip directly from Ao Nang or by foot from Rayleigh East, about 10 minutes walk. If you're already on the peninsula, it is more popular and busier than Rayleigh West during high season, somewhere in November to April. With duvets of sand, clear shallow water for safe swimming, coral reef and caves, Phra has all the ingredients for a perfect beach. All this set against a backdrop of picturesque limestone cliffs that provide natural shade from the hot afternoon sun and offer rock climbers one of the most stunning sights for this thrilling activity in Krabi province. Adventurous explorers can also find a cave at the western end of the beach, accessible with the help of ropes. Phra is a great beach to simply hang out. Just offshore are the two tiny islands, Koh Nok and Nai, which you can walk at low tide.
And before you see our first choice, make sure you subscribe for more helpful travel videos. And now, only now, our number one choice, Bamboo Island. This little tropical gem is the perfect getaway from the crowds with its white sand beach, crystal blue water, and what else to ask for? Measuring roughly 600 meters wide by 700 long, so small that you can walk around within 30 minutes. Bamboo Island hosts great snorkeling opportunities. Day and overnight trips, sleeping in a tent, are available from Koh Phi Phi Don, or you could visit the island on a PP day trip by speedboat from Krabi or Phuket. Due to the fact Bamboo Island belongs to a national park, please know that you have to pay 400 baht entrance per person to get there.
Thank you, Earth, for all that beauty. And let's face the fact, guys, if we don't do more about our already polluted planet, there will be no more travel videos or normal life as we know it. We, from Earth for Two, fully understand our responsibilities as travelers and consumers, and we appeal for more go and do. If you like our video, don't forget to press the bell and give us a thumb. Also, if you had any experience around Krabi and you have your own chart, let us know in the comments. We'll be happy to learn something new from you guys. Bye!